how to activate Windows 10. So activating Windows 10 is pretty easy and simple. What you gotta do is basically press on your Windows settings right over here. Once you press on Windows, just go to your settings. And once you're here, what you gotta do is just press System. And here in System, just go down. In the last option, you'll be able to see About. Just press on About. And now you'll be able to see right over here. So let's say if you don't have activated Windows, it would say something like your Windows hasn't been activated, activate your Windows or something like that. In my case, my Windows has been activated. But what you can do is just basically press on change product key or update your edition of Windows. Just press on that. And now you're just going to press on change product key. And now you should be able to put the key that you bought through any other website or from store. Just put in the key, the code, and then press next, and your Windows will be activated successfully. So yeah, this is it on how you can activate Windows 10. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and goodbye.